Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to my class. So today I'll be discussing worksheet number 7, Ajay's report. Ajay is the name of a boy. So now let's see. Ajay woke up with a funny feeling in his stomach. He had to do something important that day. It was something that he had been afraid to do for a long time. So what happened? One day he woke up with a funny feeling in his stomach. Here funny feeling is nothing but strange feeling. Okay? So he was having one strange feeling just now. He woke up. Then he had to do something which is important on that day. And he is afraid too for a long time. As he neared the school, Ajay could feel his heart beating. He entered his class, greeted his teacher and quickly sat down in his seat. So Ajay came to class and he is feeling very uncomfortable and his heart is beating very fast, and he wished and sat on the bench. The class began and Miss Thomas announced, "Ajay, you will go first." So Ajay stood first here. Ajay got up slowly and walked to the front of the room. So Ajay got up and he stood near the front of the room. He saw that everyone was staring at him. He suddenly seemed to forget everything. So as he stood near the teacher, everyone started staring him. And by seeing that, he forgot the things. Miss Thomas came close to him and put her hand kindly on his back. She just kept her hand on his shoulder. "Ajay, what did you like best about your report on Singapore?" she asked. So Miss Thomas asked him that what do you like best about your report on Singapore? Then Ajay thought about the exciting things he had read about Singapore and he started to talk. So he started saying about the exciting things about the Singapore. Soon he was telling the class about everything he had learned. It wasn't scary at all. The class clapped when he finished and Miss Thomas was smiling. So afterwards he told the story what he has learned and he was not scared about anything, and the whole class clapped him and he was smiling and Miss Thomas also smiling. Ajay was proud of himself on that day. Okay, so let's start the reading. A bit answer these questions. First one, why did Ajay wake up with a funny feeling in his stomach? Yes, because he was scared of giving a report on Singapore. Second, what happened when Ajay went to the front of the room? He saw that everyone was staring at him. So this made him so nervous. Third, what did Miss Thomas do to help Ajay? Miss Thomas put her hand kindly on his back to make him feel better. Okay. Fourth, what did Ajay speak about in class that day? So Ajay spoke about the exciting things he had read about Singapore. Fifth, why was Ajay proud of himself? Because he overcame his fear and speak confidently. Sixth, do you think Ajay is a brave boy? Why or why not? Yes, he overcame his fear and told everything he had learned. Okay, Bibit, write the meanings of these words from the text. First is afraid. Afraid meaning is scared. S-C-A-R-E-D, scared. Fourth, second one, entered, nothing but came in. Third, kindly, in a kind manner. Grammar part. Complete these sentences with the correct words. At 8 o'clock this morning. First one, it was getting ready. I was getting ready for school. Here, getting. You have to underline. Next, second, my grandmother was dash the garden. Nothing but watering the garden. Third, Rakesh was dash his lunch box. Rakesh was packing his lunch box. Fourth, Miss Sinha was dashed to work. Miss Sinha was driving to work. Very good. Next. Fifth, Pranav was dashed on the piano. Pranav was practicing. Sixth, Ravi was dashed from the gym. Ravi was returning from the gym. Okay, B-bit. Read this table and see what the person or animal does and does not do. Then write it as a complete sentence using the present continuous tense on the next page. Here are the words, so you have to select do's and don'ts, okay, in the present continuous form. So let us see first one. Already he has done. Rajiv is playing tennis. He is not practicing badminton. Okay, second one. I am sowing seeds. I am not plucking flowers. Third, Jenny is coming tomorrow. She is not coming today. Fourth, bear cubs are playing. They are not fighting. Fifth, Chavi is taking bus. She is not taking train. Sixth, Saket is studying English. He is not reading a story book. Okay, well, vocabulary bit. Complete these sentences with the correct words from the box. Here is the help box. So first one is wash up dash, shouted Nidhi's mother when she saw her muddy feet. Wash up at once. Okay, second, I go for swimming lessons dash once a week. Third, it is very hot right now. Let's go outside after a while. Fourth, we used to take the train often 5 years ago because we lived very close to the station at that time. Okay, fifth one, dash. I thought it was a snake, but then I realized that it was just a rope at first. Okay, spelling bit. Write the correct words below the pictures on the next page, then circle the odd one which begins with a different consonant sound. So you have to circle the different consonant sound. First one is blackbird, ball, blocks. Blah blah, the same. Here is the other sound we are getting, right? Ball. So you have to circle. Next, second, clown, crow, cloud. Yes, crow is the different consonant sound, so you have to circle. Third, fan, flag, flower. Fla, fla. Same sound. Here is the different sound. So circle fan. Fourth, glass, globe, goat. Your goat you have to circle. Okay. Next, read this letter. So you have to read this letter, and here is the reply of that letter. So what is here? 17 Sunbeam Apartments, North Union Road, Hyderabad, 3rd March 2018. Dear Ritu, how are you? I am fine. I want to share with you some interesting things about my first train journey. When I went to my hometown with my parents, the train we boarded was very long and had many boxes called compartments. We got into one of them. The train was slow when it left the station, but it soon picked up speed. We passed buildings, trees, and fields at great speed. Did you know that a train is much faster than a city bus? When the train stopped at stations, I saw people selling things in carts or stalls, books, food, and toys. There were a few college students in our compartment who sang many film songs. I really enjoyed my first train journey. I hope you are enjoying your vacation too. Yours lovingly, Anu. So here you have to reply to Anu. So happy homes, Malakpet, Hyderabad. Your address you have to write, and you have to write today's date. So dear Anu, how are you? I am fine. I was so happy to receive your letter. Yesterday I went to zoo with my friend and his parents. I have never seen zoo before. I always thought animals were kept in cages. I saw so many different animals in zoo like lion, tigers, leopards, giraffe, crocodiles and monkeys. They were all kept in different places. Then finally we came back home. I really enjoyed my first trip. Yours lovingly, Ritu. Okay? So well, the same name you have to write here, Ritu. Okay children, because we are replying to, you are thinking as Ritu and you are writing to Anu. So your name you have to write. Well, that's all for today. So write well, write neatly and keep learning. Take care. Bye-bye.